Hey everyone, today is a pretty tough video to make. I can't even believe I'm even saying this, but after everything, I've decided that it's time for me to let you guys know that I'm quitting sewing forever. But let me provide you guys with some context to why I decided this. April Fools, April Fools, April Fools. Now, did I get you? Come on. Now, y'all know I was not just going to be quitting sewing like this, right? Like, what? Hey, everyone. I'm Rochelle, and I'm the girl that gives you all the pattern sales, sew along, and behind the scenes of any and everything in between. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys on this April Fool's Day, April Fool's, by the way, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the behind the scenes of can I survive just sewing tops only this week during my minimalist collection, the 333 challenge that I'm doing for the month of, it was the month of March. However, it's going to be extended all the way into the middle of April. Okay. So for the last week and a half, I have finished up 2 tops. One was already finished, which was Simplicity 9858. And then the other one is Simplicity 9740. I want to share a little bit behind the scenes of that. I'm also going to share the pants pattern that I cut. I did do a muslin for the jacket as well. So I think I'm going to share a little bit of that. So yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get behind the scenes. Let's go. Hey you guys, happy Tuesday. Today is March the 18th. I have a lot of stuff I need to get done today, but we're only talking about sewing related stuff, right? All right, so today I am starting to work on my 333 Minimalist collection. Yes, that I talked about. I shared with you guys the drop of that new collection for March. So today is going to be prepping 2 patterns that I have to print out. I already have it printed out. I'm going to tape those bad boys together, and then I'm going to start working on my muslin for my jacket and my pants tonight, a little bit tonight, but some more tomorrow. So I will check in with you guys after taping this stuff together and then share with you guys towards the end of the week how much I got done. So let's go over to my calendar and I'm going to show you what is on my calendar for tonight. Let's go. All right, so I'm over here at my Skylight calendar, and this is what houses my kids' chores, my calendar for what I need to get done and events and all that good stuff. I'll leave the link in the description box below, but I'm pretty sure that it is sold out right now. But just to give you kind of like an idea of, I always come over here because it's right outside my sewing studio. But like at 6 this morning, I was supposed to print the pattern out. I did that already, all right? So going down a little bit, hope you guys can see this going down. For 7 o'clock tonight, I need to post my announcement video because I'm looking at Tuesday. That I did that already, by the way. Let me get some more lighting, better lighting. All right, so now I got better lighting, I can tell you. And then at 8 o'clock, which is right now, I'm supposed to be cutting the pattern out, taping the pattern out of Simplicity 9740, and then taping McCall's 8040 together. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm going to be finishing off working on Simplicity 9926 for the sew along. So that's what I have to get done tonight. Let's see if I can do it. All right, talk to you guys soon so I can go ahead and tape this pattern together. Talk to you soon. Peace. Hey you guys, happy Friday. Today is March the 21st, and we are going to be working on my tops. Okay, so what I'm going to be working on today and tomorrow is Simplicity 9740. And then I'm also going to be working on Butterick 7001. Now, you guys know I have sewn Butterick 7001 so many times, but I know that's only going to take me an hour and a half to do. This one I have never sewn, so I'm going to probably get to work on that one. Go ahead and cut out. I'm not making any muslins for this one because it's a knit top. I mean, we're just going to make it do what it do. All right, so it's time to get started tonight. I have about it is 8:17 right now. I have about 2 hours and 15 minutes. I want to be done by 9:30. So let's see how much I could get done. All right, let's go ahead and start working on it now.
Game is in trouble, I've been in my depth for the piece of the puzzle, I got it for real. Still keep me going, I wake up and hustle, you won't see me buckle, I've been in the field. Man of the town, you been in your fields, I'm adjusting this crown. Call me your majesty, either that or your tragedy, we shutting everything down. I've been hot like somebody put a candle on them. Off top, I don't really stand opponents, this mine, the moment is run out and start a bunch of pandemonium. More game, I got some, the skill is bar one, y'all done, the game in the coffin. Referee scream rest in peace, and think twice if you next to me, it's West. This ain't no regular thing, I came for the ring, you know what I mean. I shoot my shot and it's clean, this for my city, yeah, this for my team. If you talking and talk to me nice, I play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights, better get right, I'm champion. It's our repetition, I'm stacking these trophies, I'm good with addition. I spit like a pastor, I give you the vision. Up early morning, enough for the sleeping. My life is a dream, but you wishing you lived it. Haters get livid, my pocket's Pacific, that's deep if you get it. So Tempur-Pedic, I sleep on the critics. Don't feel like competing, I'm hearing these crickets. Whoa, let me switch the flow, a new bounce. Coming to the den with a lion, I'm gon' pounce. Know I've been a king for a while, got a ring and a crown. That's the bling with the blow, what the team is about. Champions, you can tell by the ambience of this sound. Referee scream, rest in peace, and think twice if you never see me, just no doubt. This ain't no regular thing, I came for the ring, you know what I mean. If you talking, it's hard to be nice. I play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights, better get right. This ain't no regular thing, I came for the ring, you know what I mean. I shoot my shot and it's clean. This is my city, yeah, this is my team. If you talking, it's hard to be nice. I play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights, better get right, I'm champion.
All right, that's it for this video. That wraps up today's dramatic sewing adventures. I hope you enjoyed my little April Fool's prank. Don't worry, sewing is in your girl's blood, okay? I'm not going anywhere. All right, so next up in this minimalist challenge, I'll reveal exactly how my muslins worked out for the tailored jacket, which is Butterick 6933. Trust me, you're gonna wanna see all of it, okay? It was hilarious how I went about it. Plus I have some behind the scenes of sizing it up as well, which I'll talk about later. So therefore, I wanna thank you so much for watching this video. If this video was educational, inspiring, and fun, you guys know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up on this video. Comment in the comment section below and let me know. Did I survive sewing tops only this week for the Minimalist collection? Did I? Don't forget to share this video with a friend who would be interested in building a quick wardrobe with 6 items. That's 3 tops, 3 bottoms, paired with 3 pairs of shoes. All right? And y'all know what I'm finna say. Do what's free, and that's subscribe. Okay? If you have not done so already. All right, that's it for this video. Until next time, keep sewing.